Hello, my name is Renaldas Gudauskas. I am Director General of National Library of Lithuania. My topic today will be about leadership of Lithuanian libraries and responding to challenges of the digital age. Actually, it consists from two parts, from digital transformation and from how we need to develop our new leaders, digital leaders in general. First of all, we are going through process from society 4 to society 5. What does it mean? We are going to human-centered society, which is related to problem solving and value creation. You can see here what society number 5 will be giving to the people. But we still have a lot of problems which are related to digital economy. And it means you can see in the center things which are very dangerous to any information society development, information society, knowledge society, etc. We still didn't solve those problems, especially rising cybercrime and low trust in information society developments. About the infrastructures, I can tell that most important to state is that digital libraries are inside this structure. It's not only about research networks, about distributed computing, about high performance computing, but also about digital libraries. Now we are on a way from data to intelligence. It means that we are becoming professionals for big data analytics, predictive analytics, and data-driven optimization, which is related to strategic innovation, inclusion, and efficiency. Why digital dividends are not spreading rapidly? What can be done? First of all, we need to move from digital implementation of digital technologies to implementation of digital development strategy. And here you can see structure of this process. Emerging big data stock, it's very much related to libraries. First of all, we need to be related to fast and quick data, big analytics, and focus service. Yes, most important point of this slide is scientific domain. It's about how scientific domain can do impact to workflow layer, how we can generate science-based workflows. Now, about developing next generation of leaders, I call it high flyers, libraries and high flyers. Is it possible? Yes, because we need to go from what we do with our current competencies to what we must know in our knowledge with new competencies and what we can do with those new competencies. It's a strong requirement, because if we will not go through this gap, we will be put away out of the progress. Types of skills needed in modern economy. It's harmony of skills which we need. Very constantly we hear about priority of technical skills. No. In society number 5, in human-centered society, we need first of all cognitive, social, and behavioral, and of course technical skills. Speaking about digital literacies, we need to realize it in our libraries on professional level, because we are going interdisciplinary way. We have interdisciplinary approach, and in general it's about critical thinking, which we can do having greater connectedness, professionalism, and participation and inclusion. It's web science and human-computer interaction. You can speak about such kind of interaction of different research disciplines, but on subject level, it is related to competencies, to strategic competencies which need to be inside any research, national or smart library of our century. Data science is very new, but it's very brave, very modern, and it gives us possibilities for analytical thinking, design, mindset, and results which we didn't have before. It gives great input to possibility to create superstructured organizations, including libraries, because we are part of this superstructured world, globally interconnected, in which we have very strong new media ecology. We have a rise of smart machines and systems. Now about digital economy and new value creation. Again, you can see here possibility and necessity for digital transformation of organizations. It means again about libraries. We need to transform our libraries in all senses. And how we do it? We are living, first of all, in global risk environment. You can see how complicated it is in order to manage this complexity, which is changing. And this year, especially this year, COVID-19 situation has changed it totally and dramatically, affecting all institutions and all industries. That's why we need to implement strategy, focused organization. I will mention just 5 directions. First of all, in order to mobilize change through executive leadership, we need translate strategy to operational terms, align organization to the strategy, make strategy continuous process, and make strategy everyone's everyday job. It's normal. It's new normal, but it is not achieved. It should be integrated into executive leadership, middle-level leadership, and of course, tactical leadership. Here we have word horizon, expression horizon. And what does it mean? Horizon in the area of artificial intelligence and big data. It means long-term horizon, just 1 year. So we need to be extremely focused, very speedy and very efficient in order to manage this digital complexity and in order to have great impact to society development. Here you can see 4 scenarios. They were developed by United Kingdom agencies, in which you can see force, flexibility, innovation, adaptation, great divide, skills activism. But according to this situation, it's mostly related to business as usual model. Now we have to create new model, business unusual model. And we can use most modern management theories related to cascade management of digital complexity. We are trying to do it also in Lithuania in such a way that our project portfolio is related to our management of ongoing activities, to strategic goals, mission and vision, and organizational resources as departments, which consist from competent professionals. They are just working according this logistic. That's why we can have so-called smart national library ecosystem. You can see your structure here. In the center, it's a smart national library. And this model is operating in the context of technology, organization, and policy issues. And of course, then we are part of creative city, smart city, learning city, human-oriented city, knowledge city, a lot of models which can be implemented in the city with different parameters. But in any city, we can have a smart library, smart model library, which can contribute to development of city or nation a lot. Thank you for your attention.